What's good, people? You already know what your nigga Bradley about to do. T.I. No Mediocre, my cover, and let's get it going. Let's go. Niggas be hating cause I be stunning on them. I be stunning on them. I be stunning on them cause they be hating cause I be stunning on them. Got a brand new Lambo, just copped the film. Niggas hating cause I got the new, you know. They ready know I be stunning on them when I got them, but it's alright, don't be hating because I just be stunning on you niggas. These niggas know me, my name is Bradley. Everything I got, I get the Bugatti, the money, the weed. I'm all about that green. I don't recycle, nigga, but I do everything else. But I fuck a bitch on the first night I met her. I didn't come to her, she came to my bed, and I was like, let me see that ass. And she shook it for me, and I just had to ask, where's your man? And she said, he at home. I was like, alright, I'm playing. But nah, let's get this going because everybody know I be stunning on them. Like, hold up, you stunning on them. You already know niggas, I be really stunning on them cause they be hating cause I be stunning on them. Got the brand new Lambo, I just copped the film. Niggas hating cause I be stunning on them. I be stunning on them. I be stunning on them. It's okay, but I just be stunning on you niggas. Now she came to my house the second time. I was like, damn, ma, you really want this dick again, Rod? But she was like, yeah, man, you know I'm just playing. I don't recycle, Ran. And I was like, oh, man, that ass is bad. And she was like, yep, take that chat and ass. And he was like, oh, smack my ass. I was like, hold up, B, I don't go like that. And this nigga trying to act gay, but I don't fuck with ugly niggas, that's full gay. And yeah, I am Bradley, the one and only. What's your name? Never met a girl like that, homie. Niggas be hating cause I stun on them, cause I be stunning on them, cause I be stunning on them, but they be hating cause I be stunning on them. I just got the Lambo, just caught the film, Niggas hating cause I be stunning on them, I be stunning on them, you ain't even know I know them, And I got this shit and you ain't even know it, cause I be stunning on them bitches like, can you pause right there? Yeah, my name is Bradley, I'm a millionaire, I'm just kidding, but when I get that record, the niggas gonna want, and everybody gonna say I owe them. But where was your ass when I was trying to get famous? Niggas over here trying to do what they always win, but rap music, that's where my mind is, lyrically inclined, you can't tell me what to do with this. Yes, and this is a shit. We are a big asshole like Weezy said, but yeah, nah, we ain't doing that. Hold up, wait a minute, niggas think holding cause they know I be standing on the hold up. I'm getting a call on my phone, let me check it. Yes, hello, my name is Bradley. You mad though because niggas hating cause I be standing on them. I be standing on them, I be standing on them, why? Niggas hating cause I be standing on them, cause I be standing on them, cause I be standing on them, Niggas hating cause I be standing on them. I just got the Lambo and copped the Phantom cause niggas hating when I be standing on them. Niggas just hate when I be standing on them like. Alright, thanks. Alright. Like, subscribe, you already know. Your nigga Bradley, we out.